Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. In today's video, we are going to see how to grow and care for spider lily the right way. This means August is the best time to plant them as they bloom anywhere from September to November in my place, which is India. For example, this is the footage from November 2021. And here is the footage from September 2022. Alright, let's start everything from the beginning. I bought two bulbs from Amazon and this is how they look. Going to use one 8-inch wider and 8-inch deeper pot, and there I am going to plant both the bulbs. In case you want to plant them in ground, please keep a gap of minimum 4 to 6 inches between two bulbs. For the potting soil mix, taking 40% normal garden soil, 20% coco peat and rest 40% vermicompost. You can decrease the percentage of vermicompost if you like. I am taking more amount as I am not going to feed them for the next 5 to 6 months at least. While planting the bulbs, please keep the soil line to the neck of the bulbs. After planting, water thoroughly. Then I would move the pot to the terrace where they are going to get whole day of sunlight. I got flowers only on one bulb and look like the other one is sleeping. It happens quite often when we buy bulbs online. Not all the time they provide us massive bulbs. This is the footage after 30 days. Other bulb is just starting to grow, but winter is the dormancy time. During that time you can keep the pot as it is and water sometimes, or water when the top 1 to 2 inches soil is dry. The foliage may die in winter and it's okay. This is the footage from September 2022. Did not do many things and it started to bloom itself. Unfortunately, this year again I got only one bloom and other one is not growing at all. Let's talk about how to care for them. For the sunlight, please try to provide them minimum 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight. Whole day of sunlight is not needed, though I was keeping them on terrace. For water, do it only when the top 1 to 2 inches soil is dry. For fertilizers, did not do too many things. I was applying 2 handful of vermicompost once in 30 to 40 days during the growth time. No need to feed them during dormancy. Along with spider lily, this is also the best time for bougainvillea as they start to bloom from September onwards. I have many videos on bougainvillea plants and here is one video where I have provided my best result so far. In case you are interested in watching, please check out the next video. That's all about how to grow and care for spider lily. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.